Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a bathroom clean with me. I'm going to be tackling my master bathroom. I've had many requests to do this video, so I clean my bathroom once a week. I clean all the bathrooms once a week. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean it. I've had questions on how to clean your sliding glass doors or your glass doors on your shower. I'm going to show you guys how I do that, give you guys other tips and tricks, and hopefully this video will motivate you to clean or even clean your bathroom. Let's be honest, cleaning bathrooms is not the most fun thing to do. I will be the first to admit it. For me and my husband, the master bathroom is a very high traffic area, so it needs to be done. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to clean with me, then just keep watching. So this is my bathroom. I'm sure you've seen it in many videos. So over there on one of the laundry baskets, I've got all my cleaning products ready to go. I just wanted to show you guys my bathroom before we get started. Hopefully you can see me okay, and it doesn't look too yellow in certain parts of the video. Again, we're in my bathroom. It's not like the best lighting. So the first thing I do when I clean my bathroom is these countertops right here. That's the first thing that always gets done. So I've got my paper towels ready to go, and I'm gonna first go in with this Wyman Daily Granite and Stone Cleaner and Polish because I do have marble countertops. So I'm gonna go in with this first, but since this doesn't really have, you know, a scent to it, and you guys know I love great smelling cleaning products, you know what's coming next. We're gonna go in with the Caldrea. This is the Rosewater Driftwood countertop spray. So right after I'm done with the granite cleaner, or the granite and marble cleaner, since this is marble, I'm gonna go in with the Caldrea to kind of make this whole bathroom smell amazing. I will link this down below. You guys already know this is my favorite cleaning product. This bathroom will smell amazing until tomorrow. I'll be brushing my teeth at night and I will smell this amazing cleaning product. I would highly recommend it. I just sprayed the marble and granite cleaner. I'm kind of just wiping down everything, making sure it's clean. And it's crazy how much crap just like in 1 week. And sometimes I'll wipe these countertops down like 2 or 3 times in a week, but how much like hair and other stuff just accumulates, and like you'll clean it and then the next day you're like, oh my goodness, it's not clean. The bathroom is just one of these like high traffic areas where it can just get so dirty so quickly. Now I'm gonna go in with the Caldrea. I just got done wiping down the countertops with the granite and marble cleaner, so I'm just gonna spray this all over. And I can't wait to smell the aroma that comes from this. It's crazy because this plant right here gets so dusty on a weekly basis, so I really have to be good about cleaning it, wiping down the leaves on it. I can see dust and it just accumulates dust so quickly, but I love to have it on my countertops because I think it looks so nice. Okay, so now that my countertops are clean and it smells amazing in here, I am going to go in with this glass cleaner. I like to use this to clean the mirror, as you guys see behind me. I also like to use this on like the sink knobs, like the sink fixtures, whatever you want to call them, the water faucet. I like to use the glass cleaner because it makes it look super shiny. And once I'm done cleaning this whole area, I will show you a close-up of what it looks like. So I'm going to go in with the glass cleaner first off, and I'm going to show you quickly. I'm going to just spray a little bit onto the paper towel and go over like this. I make sure I get underneath as well, but the glass cleaner just makes this look so shiny. I also like to use the glass cleaner to clean this picture that I have in the corner on my countertop. It's just a wedding photo. We're almost going to be at 4 years, you guys. That's crazy. I know the glare from my ring light is kind of in the way, but I just want to show you guys this photo. I like to take the glass cleaner and then I just kind of clean this as well, make it look super shiny. So now that I can see my reflection very clearly in the faucet, because I just cleaned it, we're gonna go do the mirrors. So again, I used to kind of just like spray everywhere and wipe it down. Some weeks I will, but for the sake of this video, to kind of keep it clean and not have like glass cleaner going everywhere, I'm just gonna spray right into the paper towel like so, and then we're gonna start wiping down the mirror. Now, I use paper towels. I know some people probably use like, you know, light cloths or whatever. I just use paper towels. I don't find that there's an issue with it. I guess it's just personal preference, but this is what I do. It's easy, it works for me. I just wanted to show you guys what this area looks like since I just got done cleaning it. I cleaned the countertops, I cleaned the mirror, and then I cleaned the faucet and the knobs as well. Everything looks nice, clean, and shiny. And like I was saying, see how shiny the faucet looks with the glass cleaner. So that's what I like to do. Everything is shiny, sparkly, clean. I can see myself, hello. So now that the countertops and mirrors are clean, we are gonna move on to my favorite place, which is the loo, the toilet. I'm gonna clean the toilet. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So first off, I'm gonna go in with this 409 multi-surface cleaner. This does clean 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So what I like to do is just basically spray the whole toilet with this, spray the top. I'm gonna wipe it down first. And this toilet is fun to clean. I told my husband, I'm like, you know, you better appreciate me. I'm the one cleaning every single toilet. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. You know, that's love right there. So I just kind of like to just wipe down everything, make sure that it's clean. Then I'm just gonna fold the paper towel over. I'm going to open the toilet seat. Again, I'm just going in with a 409, cleaning everything, making sure I get everything. And I do this on a weekly basis, you guys. It's crazy because I feel like if it was just us women, we wouldn't have to clean the toilets all the time. But when you live with a guy, it's a necessity. But I will say that my husband is very good about putting the toilet seat down. And comment down below if you have that issue where your husband or your sons, your kids, they just can't grasp the concept. I'm thankful that my husband, he knows to put the toilet seat down, so that's what we do. I'm just gonna go in and clean everything, clean the sides. I'm going to take this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Again, this kills 99.9% of germs. And this is their brand new day clinging toilet bowl cleaner in mango and hibiscus scent. Any scent, doesn't matter. We're just gonna put this all over, let it sit and disinfect the toilet. So it says to disinfect, let sit for 15 minutes. So I'll probably let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes. And then it says to sanitize, let sit for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10, 15 minutes and I will check back in with you guys. It's been about 15 minutes and now I am going to take my little toilet brush and I'm just gonna go around and really scrub. It says that you're supposed to do this before, but I like to do it afterwards, after I let this soak. I kind of just go around with my brush, really scrub, deep clean in there like so. Once I thoroughly kind of scrub the toilet, use a little elbow grease. Elbow grease you definitely need for the toilet, especially if you see any stains or anything. Once I've kind of gone through and thoroughly used the toilet brush, I kind of just drop off so there's no water. I'm gonna put that back and we are going to flush the toilet. Toilet looks good for the most part, and today I had to go buy these because I hate when my toilet is not blue. I love to use these blue tablets. The ones that I usually get, they didn't have, so I went with these ones. These are the Scrubbing Bubbles Continuous Clean Drop-Ins. Helps clean your toilet bowl stain-free. So I'm gonna go in with one of these, and I use these in all of my bathrooms. And what's nice too, I will mention it, if you guys are wondering, Coda, we sometimes would catch him drinking from the toilet bowl. We're like, what the hell are you doing, Coda? And I almost had a heart attack because I'm like, is this poisonous? This actually is safe for pets. It actually says bowl water not harmful to children or pets. So I figured I'd mention that. I'm sure there's some of you guys who have dogs even that do it. I almost had a heart attack and then I read the box and I was like, thank goodness. So I'm just gonna open one of these up like so. And you kind of might like, if you don't wanna touch it because your fingers will get blue, you kind of just like have to really move this around because the wrapper sticks to it. So take off what's on the top and then just slide over the lid. I know it might be a little bit hard to see, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flush the toilet and then drop it into the back corner like so. And then after the next couple of flushes, the toilet water will be blue and it will look great and it helps to really like deep clean the toilet, so that's why I like to use those. Last but not least is our overflowing garbage in here. I mean, do you see this thing? I actually will empty this like twice a week. It just fills up so quickly. So I'm just gonna empty it. And I like to use leftover plastic bags. I have some saved. I like to use these to line my garbage can. And that's another reason why I was freaking out initially with a plastic bag ban, but now that we're going through everything we're going through, that kind of like went out the door, and stores have plastic bags again, so I'm like stocking up on them. But I love to use these plastic bags to line my garbage cans, so I'm just gonna put a new one in like so. I know some people don't line their garbage cans. I like to because it's just easy to take the bag out, and sometimes depending on what you're throwing into your garbage can, it might get all over the actual garbage can. Now, if you don't use plastic bags, bags, I would suggest going in with a cleaning spray to just kind of wipe down the garbage can. Since I had the plastic bag in there, I don't really feel the need to do it. Maybe like once every blue moon, I'll clean the inside of the garbage can, but that's what that looks like. So I'm just gonna make sure anything that might have not made the garbage can, which pretty much happens all the time, I'm gonna throw away. And then we have our garbage ready to go. I know it's a little dark in here, but I just wanted to show you guys what the toilet room looks like. See, I did a couple flushes to show you guys so it always looks blue. I have a very clean toilet bowl. We have an empty garbage. Everything is clean and disinfected and ready to go. Before we start cleaning the shower, I just wanted to shout out this tool. I'm not gonna use it today, but I did see this on an infomercial, and I'm a sucker for a really good infomercial, by the way. But this is the Clorox Scrubtastic, scrubs and cleans in seconds. And you can use this anywhere in your house, by the way. It doesn't have to be the bathroom. But it comes with different attachments, and it comes with an extender as well. I'll just show you like what the different attachments. So this is one end that you can put on the brush. This is what it looks like. So for the shower, I will use this. I'll use this one on like the floor, and then I'll use this attachment to get like the corners and the grout like corners of the shower. I'm not gonna do this today because I do like to do this actually. I know this is gonna sound really bad. It's just easier to do this when I'm actually in the shower when the water's on. So when I shower, I'll end up like cleaning as well. I believe these are the two attachments that it comes with, and you guys, this is serious, like especially for cleaning the corners of your shower. This gets so much gunk, like even like the pink scum and gunk, anything, it just like flicks it away because it spins so fast. And this is waterproof too, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or anything. So I just wanted to shout this out. So first for the shower, I'm gonna go in with this 409 cleaner and kind of clean all the shelves. Just take off the products, clean the shelves, wipe it down, clean the niche as well, the niche, whatever you want to call it. Just move everything and wipe it down and clean it. And then I'll probably go in with this on the actual floor of the shower, just wipe it down quickly, just do a regular cleaning. But if I was gonna do like a deep cleaning, I would use that device that I just showed you guys. I probably will next week or the week after. So I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. So I just wiped down all the shelves, and then now I'm gonna go back to this glass cleaner, spray a little bit on it, and just do, you know, the faucet, make it look shiny, get all like the water droplets off it, if you will. And then I guess I can do the shower faucet as well. I haven't done that in a while. But you guys, I don't clean, I just want to mention that, I don't clean my shower every single week. That might sound bad. I try to go like every 2 weeks because I'd be in here for like a really long time, like my whole bathroom. So every other week I try to like go in and just like wipe down everything in the shower, but everything else that you saw I do on a weekly basis. So I just wanted to mention that. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit more, kind of clean the faucet. I probably should honestly use some 409 on this, but I can do that next week. I'm just gonna use the glass cleaner just to make the shower faucet look all shiny. Okay, so now that the shower faucet and the knob are clean with no water droplets or spots on them, I wasn't gonna do this step because again, this is something I probably do every other week or every couple weeks, but I'm gonna go in with this Wyman granite and stone cleaner again, and I'm going to try to clean as much of my shower as possible because it is tile, it is stone. Again, I don't do this every week because I would just be in my bathroom way too long, and I've got the rest of the house to clean. So I'm just gonna go through, just quickly spray and kind of clean up the tile. The last for the shower is cleaning these sliding glass doors. I do this about every other week, and for the longest time I just couldn't find anything that worked for me. I was using the glass cleaner. The glass cleaner did absolutely nothing. I would see the water spots the next day, and I was trying all these other things, and now what I do, it works and it'll stay looking really clean for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Then I start to see kind of like the water droplet lines and the water spots and everything like that. So this is definitely a tip or a trick. Now I also want to mention, I'm still going to show you how I do it, but this is going to sound weird. The best way to do this is actually when you're in the shower, you know, taking a shower with the water on and then just cleaning inside. But I'm just going to show you guys without the shower on. I've actually never done this without the shower on, so I'm curious to see how it comes out. So basically you're going to need two things. You're going to need a magic eraser. This magic eraser is kind of a little bit dirty. I have it wet a little bit because again, the water's not on. I might have to go back and wet it again. And then I am going to use this 409 again. So basically what you do, you guys, and again, I would highly recommend doing this when you have the shower on. I don't know which side I want to do. Hopefully you can hear me okay. You're just gonna spray the 409, spray a little bit, and then go in with the magic eraser. And that's all you do, you guys. I swear to God, this works awesome. Again, with the water on in the shower, it works even better because I can kind of see, I might have to run the shower actually to kind of get, you know, some of this off, but this is all you do, you guys. You just spray it and wipe it down with the magic eraser. And then after like a minute or so, especially if the water's on, you can kind of see spots that you might have to go over again with the magic eraser. But for the most part, this works awesome, you guys. I think I'm just gonna take some paper towels and wipe off any of the excess 409 that I see on the glass doors. Again, it works better when you're actually in the shower with the water on. So hopefully it still looks just as good. But this is it, you guys. It's the magic eraser and the 409. You can use any cleaner, by the way. I think I was using the Spick and Span before this. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. First off, as you guys can see, the glass doors, they look pretty clean to me. And then we will go inside the shower. I wiped down all the shelves and then I wiped down the tile as well. So the shower is looking pretty clean. So that is it for this bathroom clean with me. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any tips or tricks that I may need to know about pertaining to cleaning your bathroom, any products that I might need to know about. I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.